What's up, YouTube? On another journey. I'm going to pick up another Ford Explorer. I got to take a 3-hour ride all by myself. But it's cool, man. Just grind. And payout comes is all for you. But I don't know. I didn't want to sound sad. Whatever. Let me change that up. So, what up? We're going to pick up this Ford Explorer, and I gotta drive it back from Jersey, Vineland, New Jersey, and bring it back to Brooklyn. And ironically, this is the Ford right here that we're going to pick up. This is one that's already in Brooklyn. We're gonna get another one. And watch this journey, man. It should be fun.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
So I'm switching from my truck to Pops' truck. No, hold on. Oh. In here. So, yeah, I'm in Pops' truck now. I got the 01 Ford. He got the 07. Okay. AC work. Take this handicap bike off before I get in trouble. Pull that. Nice truck though. We're gonna pick up this other truck. Stay tuned. In Brooklyn though, this is Brooklyn right now with projects and shit, man. School across the street from the projects, project next door projects, library next door projects, and most famous deli across the street from the projects. But whatever. We out, we going to Jersey right now. Let's do a trip. Alright, so I got a little hungry. I gotta get some food before I get out of here, but see that truck? 07, 01, 07, 01. Always reminds me of a dog. Like Clifford, the big red dog. But it's white. It's always me. My truck right there. I said this is Pop's truck. Man. Puerto Rican shit. Always. 3 hours later, and we're in Sunset Park right now, Park Slope. Butterflies touching me and shit. So, what I gotta do is I gotta rent a truck and a dolly from Uhaul, but this is the only place that has it. So I had to come over here. Alright. Then I'll park my car, right? To save myself money, I'm gonna give you a trick. I'm gonna show you a trick. Give me a second. So to save money, what you try to do is you try to get a truck with a tow hitch, and then you hold on. No, it's not that bad. The bikes and shit's cool. Just record it. Like where we at? Uhaul, man. So the trick is, right? Well, this is how they do. It's loopholes. It's loopholes, not a trick. Basically, right? I called them, and I called Pennsylvania, thank God, or I called Jersey, wherever the place was, and I said that I needed a tow dolly from them. So they said, sure, you know. So I think they already know that it's most likely not coming back to that location if I need a tow dolly in that neighborhood, right? I mean, there's a lot of valuable time wasted because it's traffic doesn't want to stop. That's it, too fast. You want to speed. Can't even run. Rain again. Oh. wanted to run, he would have possibly hit me. Yellow, like yellow. Red. Ooh, lucky. Cool, so finish our conversation. So anyways, what I had to do was, they have the trucks for $20 and a tow dolly for $50. Think about that. So what I had to do was, I had to rent a truck and a tow dolly, because this is where they make their money. And basically, a lot of them, and I'm like, yeah, I'm going to Jersey. You know, I'm coming back, not far away. And they're gonna have the tow dolly ready for me with the truck, and I'm gonna drive it off, and then I'm gonna drive it down the block to my truck. I'm gonna switch the dolly onto my truck, and go and finish my job, go to Pennsylvania, and don't gotta worry about the miles, and then when I return it, I'll only pay that. Okay. So it's a little trick that I'm doing real quick, but gotta get it whatever way. So like, even if I want, I could get a van, and then you have the tow hitch in the back, and then get a dolly. But the little truck, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even know this was possible. That's funny as hell. Actually, customer entrance. Turn on there. I guess it's not the customer entrance. Storage. One door opens, the other one doesn't. See, I don't get it. Whatever. Like I got shit like this. Not sure why. Look at that. Oh, it's the wrong side. Okay. I'll put my mask on now. Some of this man slick with it. He's like, you in the trailer, right? Come to the back. That's funny. Let's get it. Drive anything that we got on those shit. Guys can drive everything. So they got me driving this big shit. I love pickup trucks laying on front. This guy's pretty cool. All those Uhaul trucks in the air, that's crazy, man. That's money. They got money, I ain't gonna lie. But I gotta get one of these tow dollies. I should have got one of those, but the car don't move. The car don't drive, so I can't drive it on there. I don't got it's not like a forklift is gonna drive it on, so I need a small one. But I'm about to do this, man. Tow thing on, man. So that matters at this point. Just inspecting it, you know. Then I see nothing about no paint chippings over there. And the straps. We are in the U-Haul, man. Trailer's behind me, as you can see. And what I gotta do is do a transfer now. I transfer this trailer to my father's truck. And then on my merry way, so they don't charge me for this beautiful bad boy. Beautiful truck. This is a beautiful truck, man. U-Haul, good job with these trucks. Not even U-Haul, this is Ford. This is a nice roof. I thought it was a GMC, it's a Ford. That's sick. So loud, that's the bad part about it all. We're by the truck and we're gonna transfer these bad boys. So a little bit of a struggle, but y'all see it, man. So I wanted to tell you, so basically there's nothing wrong with the Ford Explorer. I guess for whatever reason, since it's a smaller truck with less towing capability, they don't want you to be able to tow with this. They don't want to trust it, right? But it is what it is. You know, very, very strong. Right? I got some bands here, and I think I'm gonna have to go to Walmart or something when I actually get the other truck and strap it up some more. So I guess we go for now, and then I just park this bad boy here for the night and save myself the plus mileage fee. That's what they're mad at. This is what they're gonna be mad at in this video. It's the fact that I'm able to go around their policy. They can't do nothing about that hitch unless that's it, you know. But they can't do nothing about it. So we park this and then we're gonna switch back to the Ford. So we're about to get out of this bad boy and jump into that one. Yeah, man, Ford. This is a good one. I know. Jump from one Ford to another Ford, but this is a nice one, man. I like this. Some more. Very comfortable as a work truck. Oof. Very big, so I'm pretty sure there's a lot of accidents that happen in these things. But, all right, man. Let me get my trip going. Here, Jersey right now. I'm getting some gas. Filling this bitch up and then continuing my trip. Stop at Burger King. And all, man.
How much rent?
$50.
1 day or a hour?
I did 10 hours.
10 hours.
Yeah, but it's $50 for 1 day too. Same thing. Yeah.
Anywhere, where you go?
I'm coming from Brooklyn.
Brooklyn?
Yeah, I'm from Brooklyn.
Suppose you take a Delaware, you take $50.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You come back as much as you can. I'm going to Vineland. Vineland.
Oh, you take the Vineland.
I gotta go and pick up some truck over here. So, yeah, it's $50. Can't beat it. That was funny. Yeah, man, I'm filling this up, man. Check out this. Oh, man. Oh, good. I got the yellow light. All right, man. We're here. We're in Vineland. I honestly think I gotta make this left. Hold on. So I got 4 minutes of driving left. It's been like 2 hours.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Oh, thank you. I got like 2 hours. Ooh, that's a nice truck. That's dope. Yeah, honestly, I haven't seen there was a Goon Squad. They had a white truck. I saw a white truck just like it, man. They did sell it, so that's crazy. That was it. Kids having a good time. Okay. Stable is very relaxing, just like every other quiet town. All right, man, we here, man. Go and get this truck right there. That's it, man. It's my new Explorer. Yeah, it's dope, though. That's cool. They're doing little trucks over there, but I'm taking that forward. Yeah, got another one over there. Did it, y'all. Just gotta make sure it's safe, man, but I got it. I got it, man. I just gotta go and get some straps and make sure just they don't unstrap as I go into the wraps and stuff like that. So we want to harbor freight, going extra slow, and hopefully everything is good until then.